Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen with egg. First, gather your ingredients like instant ramen, 1 egg, and any desired toppings. Prepare your cooking station with a small pot and water. This simple method ensures a perfectly cooked egg and a delicious, flavorful broth every time you make it. Now let's get cooking. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan over medium-high heat. Once boiling, add your ramen noodles. Cook them for just 2 minutes, stirring gently to separate the strands. This quick cook time is key to preventing soggy noodles and ensures they'll be perfectly al dente when you're ready to enjoy.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time for the egg. Create a small well in the noodles and carefully crack in 1 egg. Cover the pot immediately. For a soft, runny yolk, let it steam for exactly 2 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, extend the cooking time to 3 minutes before removing the lid. This technique yields a beautifully poached egg. With your egg perfectly cooked, turn off the heat. Now, stir in the ramen seasoning packet thoroughly, ensuring it dissolves completely into the hot broth. Carefully transfer your delicious ramen and egg into a serving bowl. For an extra touch, garnish with some chopped green onions or a dash of sesame oil. Enjoy your perfect ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.